Hello everyone. I just want to share with you guys this repair restoration I did on a Krell CD-DSP CD player. Basically it would not come in and it would not play CDs. The digital input section was real intermittent about operating. The digital output would not work at all. I repaired that. I basically replaced the capacitors, replaced the relays, and I cleaned the sockets. And it works very well now. I'll give you a very brief demonstration. I don't want to get a copy violation on this, so I'm only going to play a few seconds, but just to show you how well it plays. Okay, that's all I'm going to play. I'll give you a more complete demonstration in about a week. I started following this French artist that I discovered about a year ago, and I'll play it on her birthday, so that'll be a full song of hers, and you'll be able to hear that. And also I want to go over more completely exactly what I did, the troubleshooting process I went through to repair this, so maybe that'll help out somebody in the future. And I'll try to do this within the next few weeks, so I'll be on the lookout for that. And I sure appreciate it, everybody, and I hope y'all have a good one.